Welcome to Horkans, I'm Paraic, and here are some of the best bulbs that you can plant now for colour from winter right through until early summer. It starts with the beautiful yellow flowering winter Aconites. These are small bulbs that can be planted in pots, containers or under other shrubs to give colour from December onwards. A beautiful bright yellow flowering bulb. Remember to plant winter Aconites in clusters of 7s or 12s so that you get this carpet effect. And they'll not only flower this December, but every December after that. For colour in January, you can plant the beautiful and reliable Snowdrops, which again come in different varieties, but give fantastic colour every January if planted now. For February, plant crocuses, and again here at Horkans we've got a wide selection of different varieties of crocuses, again perfect for pots, containers, window boxes, or indeed to be planted out in your lawn or around trees in the garden or between flower borders. Crocuses are easy to grow, they're loved by the honeybee in early spring and are a really good bulb for children to plant in the garden. You can also plant some bluebells for early spring colour, maybe some dwarf daffodils and narcissi, which again we have in many different varieties here at Horkans. My favourite happens to be JetFire. It's a two-toned daffodil. It only grows about 6 or 8 inches in height, perfect for pots and containers, and gives fantastic colour in early spring. We also have a wide variety of dwarf tulips, or indeed many varieties, particularly the dwarf varieties like Red Riding Hood, which is perfect for pots and containers. We've also got some beautiful irises and fritillarias, and one of the best plants to attract bees to your garden happen to be the alliums, which produce large tennis ball sized purple flowers in late spring, early summer if planted at this time of year. So remember, this is the ideal time to plant winter, spring and early summer colour from bulbs. And here at Horkans we've got a fantastic range of bulbs for you to plant. Remember, the garden centre is open 7 days, or you can order online for home delivery. Bye for now.